Beautiful people of America, it would bring me immense joy if you could subscribe to my channel before watching the video. The essence of Lexus's brand revolves around comfort, a philosophy seamlessly embodied by the 2024 NX SUV. Despite sharing its platform with the Toyota RAV4 and Venza crossovers, the NX exquisitely conceals these humble roots. The majority of NX models boast exquisite appointments with premium materials, offering a diverse range of powertrains, including hybrid and plug-in hybrid options, the latter featuring a robust 302 HP setup from the RAV4 Prime. Embrace the NX for its plush ride quality, but note its inclination toward comfort over sporty agility, making it a perfect companion for leisurely road trips and serene commutes. Enthusiast drivers might gravitate toward rivals like the Audi Q3, BMW X1, or Mercedes-Benz GLA class. As for the 2024 updates, Lexus introduces subtle changes, refining interior colors and integrating consistent color-keyed elements throughout the cabin. Notably, the NX 350h and NX 450h Plus models now offer a remote parking feature, while the NX 450h Plus F Sport provides a choice between a regular sunroof or a panoramic sunroof. Starting just above $40,000, the base NX model might feel too basic for luxury enthusiasts. Opting for the mid-range NX 350 introduces a more spirited 275 HP turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Enhance this experience with the luxury package, including a 14.0-inch infotainment display, quilted leather upholstery, cloud-connected navigation, 20-inch wheels, and adaptive headlamps. For those desiring a bolder appearance and additional performance upgrades, the NX 350 F Sport, similarly priced and offering the luxury package, awaits. Diving into the powertrain options, the 2024 NX presents four choices. The NX 250 features a 203 HP 2.5-liter four-cylinder, while the NX 350 boasts a 275 HP turbocharged 2.4-liter engine, both paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The NX 250 allows the flexibility of front or all-wheel drive, while the NX 350 includes all-wheel drive as standard. Hybrid options include the NX 350h, combining two electric motors with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder for 239 horsepower, and the thrilling NX 450h Plus, equipped with a 302 HP plug-in hybrid powertrain. Fuel efficiency varies, with the hybrid NX 350h leading the pack at 41 near mpg city and 37 mpg highway, showcasing the NX's commitment to eco-friendly performance. Stepping inside, the NX impresses with a revamped cabin design, modern aesthetics, and upscale materials. Offering one of the more spacious interiors in the luxury subcompact crossover segment, the NX prioritizes passenger comfort and cargo space. Optional features, such as a panoramic sunroof, heated rear seats, ambient interior lighting with 64 color choices, and black open-pore wood trim, cater to individual preferences. The NX's infotainment system is anchored by a touchscreen display ranging from 9.8 inches in base models to a generous 14.0 inches in higher trims. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, accessible wirelessly, and additional options include a wireless smartphone charging pad and a head-up display. Audiophiles can indulge in a 17-speaker Mark Levinson stereo system available with the premium or luxury packages. Safety remains a paramount focus, with Lexus outfitting the NX with a suite of standard driver assistance features. Automated emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control are standard across all models. For detailed crash test results, consumers can refer to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety websites. Lexus upholds a robust warranty and maintenance coverage, covering the NX with a 4-year or 50,000-mile limited warranty, a 6-year or 70,000-mile powertrain warranty, and an 8-year or 100,000-mile hybrid component warranty. However, complimentary maintenance lasts for 1 year or 10,000 miles, falling short compared to competitors like the Volvo XC40 and BMW X1, which offer 3 years of complimentary scheduled maintenance. Celebrating its heritage of comfort, performance, and style, the 2024 Lexus NX stands as a compelling choice in the luxury subcompact SUV landscape. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the Car Gaze channel.